I can't quite think of that other name. If I could only remember.
What's the difference? I don't think we'll be staying here long anyway.
It isn't Cape Cod. The other word is longer. And it was a special place where something happened.
Come on, Jooch, let's hurry it up.
Hey.
What is it? Canaveral. Canaveral.
Yeah, that's it, TC. We're at Cape Canaveral.